Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to review the Qapital app. Qapital is a money saving and budgeting app designed to help you set financial goals and build better habits. After signing up, you connect your bank account and start creating savings goals like a vacation, emergency fund, or new gadget. Then, you choose how you want to save. Qapital offers fun rules like rounding up your purchases, setting a weekly deposit, or even saving money every time you skip a habit like ordering takeout. You can also set up budgets to track your spending. The app also includes features like joining goals, investment options, and paycheck automation. It's easy to use and the visual progress bar makes saving feel rewarding. Users like Qapital for its creative rules and clean design. But some feel the monthly fee, which starts at a few dollars, may not be ideal for every tight budget. Overall, Qapital is worth it if you want a simple, automatic way to save and stick to your financial goals. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.